All right, I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, click the link in the description box to download the free easy read sheet music for the C, G, and F major chord exercises. These three exercises were developed for beginners and will prepare your left hand to play three-note chords fluently and with ease. You should play these exercises for a few minutes every day. You should also watch and listen to the C, G, and F major chord videos at least once a day. If you watch and listen on a daily basis, your sense of rhythm will grow a little bit every day. It may seem imperceptible for a while, but trust me, if you listen to these videos every day, your musical ear will grow. So download the sheet music and keep up the good work. And remember, we never ask for your email address or your credit card number. Just click the link and download the sheet music. It's that easy. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.